How to fix Wi-Fi connected without internet issue on Honor 200. So to fix this issue, first of all, restart your phone. So to restart your phone, press and hold this power button. And then from this menu, tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like Wi-Fi issue. But after restarting the phone, if you are still facing the issue, then restart your Wi-Fi router. So to restart your Wi-Fi router, plug out the Wi-Fi router switch and then plug it back in, and after that the router will be restarted. And after restarting the router, again connect to your Wi-Fi network, and then the issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after this solution, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on click on system and updates. Now tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. Now again click on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option, it will reset all your network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth and SIM settings. And after doing this, the Wi-Fi will 100% start working properly. So that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi connected without internet issue on Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.